I'm recording. So you're gonna be saying that on camera.
No, you have to turn the volume off. Stop. Welcome back to Outback.
Indeed, welcome back to Outback Pollux, where we've decided to buy an old record player. I used to have one when I was really young, and I don't have many records anymore, but I do want to start using them again and buying some records, and I want Lumi to experience.
Is there such thing
A
as
record.
records even?
Yeah, they still sell heaps of records.
Really? Never seen
Yes, so stay with us. We're going to do an unpacking, setting up. Sorry about that. Subscribe, like, and share. Hope you're safe wherever you are. We can't travel, so we're spending money on toys.
one. Toys.
Right?
Toys.
Right. So we're going to set this up and see how it sounds. You ready? This sound will rock your body and mind and soul. No?
You don't know how to say stuff.
I don't know how to say stuff. I'm not cool enough. I'm not TikTok enough. So this is the Audio Technica. The guy at Store DJ told me pretty much this is the best one you can get for the price that I was looking for. I wanted a Bluetooth one, but they were out of stock. It's got the mat.
The mat.
Oh, nearly threw this out.
Good job.
Here's the weight. That's pretty heavy. Oh, metallic. Very nice.
Looks rusty.
That's the belt. That's the belt driver, obviously, right there. Ready? And here it is.
Good.
Very interesting mechanism. And if you're wondering why the video quality is so low, it's because Lumi's taken over the vlog.
Daniel, do you agree? He says he does not agree.
Okay. And we need to put it on here, aligning it to the brass spindle, whatever it's called. Then we remove the rubber. Is it focused? Remove the tape. Like that. And then we pull the rubber without twisting it onto the spindle. And then we remove the ribbon. That's cool. Oh, it's got a bit of resistance. Okay.
Looks like pancake.
Doesn't look like a pancake. Tighten it up. So it has to be perfectly balanced. And I do remember the man saying 2.5. Okay. Can lock it in. See? And then it comes out. Okay.
Are you done?
Okay. So that's done. We then put the covers on.
Stylish.
Wow, it's really nice, isn't it?
Stylish.
Okay. You're not really supposed to be putting it between speakers for vibrations, but I'm putting it on foam pads, and also underneath these speakers. Are foam pads to reduce the vibration. Eventually I'll get a proper table for these, but for now this will do. Turn it out a little bit. Okay, so we've got a few of my old records that I bought years ago. Got Scooter, because I love my Scooter. Got some Queen, got some more Scooter. So I'm gonna buy some more records for Lumi. I'll take her to the shop with me so she can choose some. But let's try this one out. Ready? I've had these for years and I've never played them. Ready? Okay. So what did you think of your first record?
Just
No?
use the iPad.
Yeah.
How'd you expect that?
Yeah. Mark's back. What did you think, Mark?
Oh, it takes me back, man.
Yeah.
Look at Junior. He
actual
says
record.
that the game is fun.
Yeah, Junior likes Scooter. So we'll have to start now buying records and get some milk crates and some Besser blocks over there to keep the records.
Well, you need to make sure that no one leans on the table or touches the table.
Yeah, which basically is Lumi.
Which basically is me.
Yeah. So, anyway. Might get a tape player, see if Lumi knows how to use it.
Or reel to reel.
You reel
Reel to reel.
Anyway. So it's been a week since I bought the record player, yeah, I have moved it from the table, the unstable table, and I bought myself an IKEA drawer set to put it on and plugged it into my Yamaha amplifier, which sounds so clear, it's so amazing. Lumi doesn't appreciate this kind of music. So I've bought myself a Faithless album, if you know what Faithless is. Faithless, lost for words. Playing God as a DJ right now, because he is. Oh, so good. Me and Mark have decided that we're gonna run around some op shops and secondhand shops and find some really old records, like jazz and all that. Not that we listen to it, but we just wanna see how it all sounds. So stay with us, subscribe, like and share. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more.